Welcome to Cytech Systems Laboratory. We have obtained AS9120B and ESD S 2020 certifications, and strictly follow the temperature and humidity control and anti-static management of the laboratory in accordance with the standard requirements. For the management of testing personnel, in addition to the necessary protective measures, like wearing anti-static clothing, anti-static shoes, anti-static rings, finger gloves and so on, we have adopted dual control measures such as access control electrostatic testing and static wristband alarm. We use advanced LIMS digital intelligent management system to realize automated management of samples, data and processes, simplify report generation and quality control processes, and ensure testing efficiency in the accuracy, consistency and traceability of test results. Upon receipt of the goods at the lab, first, make sure the outer packing is in good condition, then confirm whether the MPN, manufacturer and other information are consistent with the system, then take photos to keep a record. Check for HIC cards, discoloration and moisture-proof beads after opening the bag. And whether the label information is correct, whether there is deformation and damage on the carrier, and check that marking of parts is correct. This is the device counter, which is suitable for counting parts in tape and reel packaging. For sampling, we will apply different sampling rules depending on the testing item. Samples will be drawn out with tools, such as suction pens or tweezers for testing. Samples are now being tested. Generally, external visual inspection is performed first. Confirm whether the shape and marking of the parts are consistent with the specifications, and whether there are defects. Whether the body has scratches, contamination, damage, whether the pin has defects that affect application. Marking permanency test is conducted to determine whether the part has been remarked or coated. Measuring part dimensions helps to determine whether parts are likely to be counterfeit. If the EVI passes, further X-ray inspection will be performed. X-ray is used to check the internal structure of the parts to see whether there are broken wire, voids, absent wire, foreign material, etc. X-ray fluorescence testing is mainly used to test whether the parts comply with RoHS standards, that is to check whether the parts contain elements such as lead, mercury, cadmium, chromium, bromine, etc. According to the functional classification of parts, the corresponding parameters are input into the tester to confirm that electrical parameters are within specification. Lead-free solderability testing. For all non-BGA packaged lead-free electronic components, test whether the parts can be welded properly. Decapsulation is also known as decap. By exposing the internal die of an integrated circuit, and then using a special ultra-high magnification microscope, the engineer can observe the whole die, manufacturer logo, marking, etc., to verify the authenticity of the part die. The engineer will keep records of each test on the LIMS system, and the laboratory manager will make the final review and confirmation. After the inspection is completed, we start packing. Depending on the packaging requirements and moisture sensitivity level of different parts, we will use different packaging methods to ensure that the sealing standards are met. After the packaging is completed, we will place them in different areas, according to the storage conditions and test results, and then, they're ready to be shipped.